I watched your video on bad breath following wisdom teeth extraction procedure, and while I have no infection after the extraction, the smell is unbearable. I'm concerned about the office tomorrow and plan to wear a mask to avoid embarrassing others. Is there anything I can do to improve this situation?
You had a surgical procedure done, wisdom teeth extraction. So the way the wisdom teeth extraction works, as you know, if you guys have gone through a procedure or any extraction procedure, anytime you remove a tooth, you have a hole in the gum or hole in the bone that has to heal. There is no, there is no other way to get around that. Your body has to heal. The mother nature has to heal the bone and the gum where the tooth came out from. So there is no way around that. So the only thing that you can do to avoid the bad breath, and well, let's step back up like a little bit. And the reason you are getting the bad breath is because you're going to have some food stuck. Imagine if this is the hole and you're going to have some food stuck in there. No matter how you try to keep it clean, you are still going to have some food stuck in there, particularly for the first a week or a few days. We are going to ask you to not avoid vigorously rinsing your mouth or even brushing the area, which means that you are going to have some left out food. Imagine leaving some food on the counter for a few days. It is going to smell yucky, right? It's the same way. So that's why the food gets yucky there, gets stuck in there. That's what is causing the bad breath. So forget about the bad breath, or I'm sure your friends or your family will excuse that, or your spouse or the significant other will excuse, and then they will understand. So things that you could avoid to avoid the bad breath would be keeping your mouth clean. Make sure that you are going to follow the instructions given by your dental office, like using the mouthwash. Sometimes we use the gel that we give, the healing gel. So the socket gel. So avoid that. Avoid having some strong spicy foods, and that sometimes can trigger the bad breath you may already have. And then avoid some sugary food, because the sugar gets fermented, which is what causes the bad breath. Avoid that. Have a lot of protein or like any fatty food like that is going to avoid the starch, the bad breath from the sugar. And then again, as I said, it is just a temporary, right? So avoid the temporary, and it's temporary. You're going to get over. And other things that you could do is the Listerine strips, or the Listerine the mouth strips. You use like a mouthwash, like it's like a strip. You can do that. Tic Tacs, you can do that as well. Tic Tacs, yeah. And then maybe like any mint should do. And then one of the things that we do is like TheraBreath, so which is going to help you avoid the bad breath on Biotine mouthwash. So you can use some special mouthwashes as well.
Exactly. Or just blame it on the person you're talking to.